Electric eels, which are not actually eels, but a type of knife fish, can generate electric shocks of up to 600 volts, allowing them to stun prey and defend against predators. These fascinating creatures can produce different types of electric discharges, low-voltage pulses for navigation and communication, and high-voltage bursts for hunting and self-defense. Electric eels have a unique hunting strategy. They can coordinate their electric shocks to create a stunning effect that can incapacitate multiple fish at once.